Today we have complex number and exercise 5.6. In exercise 5.6 we have the certain rules, means certain terms we have to learn, right? In this first term is value of omega. Value of omega is what? Minus 1 plus under root 3i, okay, upon 2. Omega square is what? Value of omega square minus 1 minus root 3i upon 2. Okay, now the second one relation we have to learn, omega plus omega 1 plus omega square is equals to 1 0 sorry 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. Now the third value of omega cube is equals to 1. Okay, cube root of unity, this is called cube root of unity. Unity means 1. Okay, cube root means 1 upon 3, cube root of unity, right? So in this you have to just learn value of omega square, and this relation 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cube is equals to 1. Okay, now one more thing, if in any question if it is written that complex cube root of unity, complex cube root of unity, alpha beta are the complex cube root of unity. If this sentence, if you find this sentence anywhere, then simply you have to write in place of alpha omega, in place of beta omega square. That's it, right? It's very, very important. In case of complex cube root of unity, in place of alpha we have to write omega, in place of omega, in place of beta we have to write omega square. Okay, now in exercise 5.6, simply you have to follow these terms. Okay, look at the question number 1. Question number 1 is what? Find the cube root of minus 27. Okay, find the cube root of minus 27, and so that the sum of the cube root is equals to 0. Okay, fine. Cube root of minus 27, cube root means 1 upon 3 power. Okay, now this can be written as what? Okay, we have cube root of unity. Cube root means power 1 by 3 of unity means 1. Cube root of unity. Okay, cube root of unity means we have the three terms 1 omega and omega square as a cube root of unity. Now simply you have to learn 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. Okay, now look at question number first. Find the cube root of minus 27. Minus 27 cube root, okay, power 1 by 3. This can be written as what? 1 whole power 1 by 3 into minus 3 whole power minus whole cube into power 1 by 3, right? So 1 whole power 1 by 3 and minus 3 whole cube means minus 27 whole power cancel, so it would be minus 3. In place of cube root of unity, what we can write? 1 to the power 1 by 3, okay, and minus 27 whole power 1 by 3. Okay, now minus 27 whole power 1 by 3 means can be written as minus 3 whole cube, okay, that is minus 27, and power 1 by 3, 3 and 3 cancel out, so this is minus 3. And in place of 1 to the power 1 by 3, cube root of unity is what? 1 comma omega square, right? So minus 3 into 1 comma omega square means minus 3 omega and minus 3 omega square are the cube root of unity, right? Now we have to prove that the sum of this is what? 0. Okay, so minus 3 omega square, we can take minus 3 as common, so 1 plus omega square, value of 1 plus omega square is 0. 0 into minus 3 will be 0, hence proved, right? So this is question number 1. Now look at question number 2. Okay, first part, alpha beta the complex cube root of unity, then prove that 1 plus alpha 1 plus beta 1 plus alpha square and 1 plus beta square is equals to 1, we are going to prove, right? complex cube root of unity. I would have told you in place of complex cube root of unity, in place of alpha we have to write omega, okay, and in place of beta we have to write omega square, okay. So in place of alpha, omega means omega square, 1 plus in place of beta omega square whole square means omega to the power 4. Omega to the power 4 can be written as what? Omega cube into omega. Omega cube value 1 into omega means omega. So in place of omega to the power 4, what we can write? Omega, okay. So this is 1 plus omega, okay, and this is 1 plus omega square, and this is 1 plus omega square, and this is 1 plus omega, okay. Now we have relation what? 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So in place of 1 plus omega from here, in place of 1 plus omega, what we can write? This will come this side, minus omega square. In place of this we can write minus omega square. Now 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square we can write minus omega, okay, minus omega. Same thing here, minus omega square into minus omega, right. So omega square into minus omega means plus omega cube, omega square into minus omega means plus omega cube. Omega cube means 1 into omega cube means 1, 1 into 1 means 1. This is question number second, first part, right. All questions are same, right. Now moving on to question number, look at question number third, first part, okay. In question number third, first part, we have 3 plus 5 omega plus 3 omega square whole of square, okay, and second term is 1 plus 2 omega plus omega square, okay. Now look at here, 3 plus 5 omega plus 3, in place of omega square what we can write? In place of omega square, from 1 plus omega square we can write minus 1 minus omega, okay, and bracket close. Now the second bracket, 1 plus 2 omega plus omega square can be written as what? Minus 1 minus omega. So minus 1 minus omega. So this minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. 3 plus 5 omega minus 3 omega, okay. Other bracket we have 2 omega minus omega means omega. So this is plus 3 minus 3 cancel out, 5 omega minus 3 omega means 2 omega, and one thing left, what is square, है ना, whole of square चल रहा था यहाँ पर, ये क्या है? whole of square into omega. So this is 2 square 4 omega square omega. So 4 into omega means omega cube. In place of omega cube 1, so answer is 4 into 1 means 4, okay. Now look at question number 4th, first part. Question number 4th, first part, right. Question number 4th, first part is what? 1 plus omega, okay, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega to the power 4, and 1 plus omega to the power 6 is equals to 1, okay. 1 we have to prove. Now same thing here, in place of 1 plus omega, what we can write? Minus omega square. In place of 1 plus omega square, what we can write? Minus omega. In place of 1 plus omega to the power 4, 1 plus omega to the power 4 means 1 plus omega, because omega to the power 4 can be written as omega, right. In place of 1 plus omega, what we can write? Minus omega square. Again 1 plus omega to the power 6, omega to the power 6 means omega cube into omega cube, है ना, 3 and 3 6, so 1 into 1 means 1. So omega to the power 6 can be written as what? 1 plus 1 means omega to the power, this is not omega to the power 6, this is omega to the power 8 actually, right. This is omega to the power 8. So omega to the power 8 means omega cube into omega square. So this is 1 into omega square means, in place of omega to the power 8, what we can write? 1 plus omega square. So this is minus omega cube into minus omega square into minus omega means plus omega cube into minus omega square into 1 plus omega square means minus omega. So this is omega cube into plus omega cube. Omega cube means 1 into omega cube means 1, 1 into 1 means 1, right? Hence proved. All questions are same, right? Question number, look at question number फोर्थ पार्ट, ठीक है, इसको बता रहे हैं क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा अलग है. P प्लस क्यू ओमेगा प्लस आर ओमेगा स्क्वायर अपॉन आर प्लस पी ओमेगा प्लस क्यू ओमेगा स्क्वायर, ठीक है, इज इक्वल्स टू वी हैव टू प्रूव ओमेगा स्क्वायर, ठीक है. दिस इज RHS. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक LHS. अब इस क्वेश्चन में इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, इस क्वेश्चन का की पॉइंट ये है, वी हैव टू टेक ओमेगा स्क्वायर कॉमन, राइट, ओमेगा स्क्वायर कॉमन फ्रॉम न्यूमरेटर. सो ओमेगा स्क्वायर कॉमन का क्या मतलब है, ओमेगा स्क्वायर कॉमन का क्या मतलब है कि हमें क्या करना है, ओमेगा स्क्वायर का सब में क्या कर देना है, हमें डिवाइड कर देना है, ठीक है ना, ठीक है. सो ओमेगा स्क्वायर का सबको हम लोग डिवाइड करना है, तो कॉमन करेंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा देखते हैं. यहाँ पर कितना हो जाएगा, P अपॉन ओमेगा स्क्वायर Q ओमेगा अपॉन ओमेगा स्क्वायर एंड R ओमेगा स्क्वायर अपॉन ओमेगा स्क्वायर. नीचे कुछ नहीं करना है, R प्लस P ओमेगा प्लस Q ओमेगा स्क्वायर कंटिन्यू रखना है, ठीक है ना. देखते हैं ऊपर क्या होता है. न्यूमरेटर ओमेगा स्क्वायर कैंसिल, कितना आ गया, R प्लस, ओके, ओमेगा से एक ओमेगा कैंसिल हो गया, कितना आ गया, Q ओमेगा, Q अपॉन ओमेगा प्लस P अपॉन ओमेगा स्क्वायर, ठीक है ना. अब देखते हैं इसकी वैल्यू जरा, R प्लस P ओमेगा प्लस Q ओमेगा स्क्वायर. देखना जरा, Q अपॉन ओमेगा क्या कर सकते हैं, ओमेगा स्क्वायर अगर ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करें तो ऊपर कितना हो जाएगा, Q ओमेगा स्क्वायर अपॉन नीचे कितना हो जाएगा, 1, ओके, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. मीन्स इन प्लेस ऑफ Q अपॉन ओमेगा व्हाट वी कैन राइट, Q ओमेगा स्क्वायर, ठीक है. इन प्लेस ऑफ P अपॉन ओमेगा स्क्वायर, P अपॉन ओमेगा स्क्वायर में क्या कर सकते हैं, ओमेगा ओमेगा मल्टीप्लाई इन बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. सो वी हैव P ओमेगा अपॉन नीचे कितना हो गया, ओमेगा क्यूब मीन्स 1. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ P अपॉन ओमेगा स्क्वायर व्हाट वी कैन राइट, P ओमेगा, राइट, अपॉन नीचे R प्लस P ओमेगा प्लस Q ओमेगा स्क्वायर. नाउ दिस वन एंड दिस वन कैंसिल आउट, कंप्लीट सेम है. कितना आंसर आ गया, ओमेगा स्क्वायर, हेंस प्रूव्ड, राइट.